Comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money,
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money,
Dollar, dollar.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor. I'm here to help you pick it up. Yep, talking about arbitraging, talking about this new Apex. Right now we're in practice mode, so we want to practice, practice, practice. And I'm here to help you practice. Anyway, what I want to do is teach you how I trade, see if it helps you. If it does, that's great. If not, there's many other people out there trading that can help you. But I like to keep it simple. I like to have a precise entry and exit and money management. If you can do all those things, you can make money. That's all we're getting at. We already had one trade this morning. It was a loss. It was over here. We tried to trade this down and went up on us. So right now we're looking for a new trade. We're looking for a zero line break. We're looking for a cross. We're looking to be underneath the moving average, which we are right now. We have two candles under. This is a 1 minute chart. It's pretty sporadic. But if we can get a zero line break, then we got a good trade. So those are the parameters of our trading. It's not quite there yet. It's almost there. It's only a minute chart, so it's probably only a minute away. You can go up to a 15-minute chart. See, we're going down. We came up. We rejected. We're going sideways. So it's possible a good down, a good sell trade. Almost there. We're still waiting for a zero line break here. But everything's indicating that's going to be a good down trade. Five-minute chart says we're going up right now. But we have rejection. We did have a zero line break way back here. And right now we're going to have another one possibly going up or continue going down. We're not sure on this yet. Not on a 5 minute. 5 minutes not helping us at all, except saying that we've already been there. We go to a 3-minute chart. 3-minute chart says we had a zero line break way back here. We've been going down for quite a while. Akanashi is still above the moving average, but it is red. Now we've gone below. Turned red again. To me, this is a sell trade. It hit all of our indications that we're going to do a sell trade. So we're short. So let's see what happens. All we can do is put everything in our favor and go with that. Now, the reason to get out of this trade is we get a green candle, or we go above the moving average. Either one of those. Or we get a zero line break and go back up, or a cross of the MACD line. But those will all be at the same time. So we'll see what happens. For me, there's nothing better than trading. I'm at home enjoying my time, trying to make some extra money. Right now I'm currency trading. I am selling the US dollar Japanese yen. I like to use strength and weakness. I also like Elliott wave. Problem with Elliott wave is until it's all done, you don't know if you're correct. So you can follow Elliott Wave. It can help you in some direction, but you still need things to help you get in and get out. And the way I trade is almost like this anyway, just with different indicators. Very similar. So it looks like right now we're into profit. That's good. We're looking for another push down. We had one loss this morning. Be nice to have a win. So we got MACD turned red. Our lines are still showing us downward movement. The volume is red. Hakanashi is red. And it's below the moving average, which is a 6 moving average. So that's a sell trade. Any of those things get violated, the trade is closed and we're done. See if we can get this candle here to push down a little bit more. And the MACD is one of the few indicators that will not lie to you. All it does is give you exactly what the candles are doing. We're looking for one more push down. If it'll give it to us. No guarantee. Everything's lined up for it. Doesn't mean it'll happen. So therefore you're always ready to click out. Looks to me like we're just going sideways and there's not going to be a trade at all. So unless it breaks this bottom. This is a good point where the limit orders, you could always put a limit order down here for a sell trade in case it breaks, or a limit up here for a buy trade in case it decides to go up. Then you'd be playing a breakout trade, whole different deal. But for us, we're trying to trend trade, getting everything to go in one direction and trying to trade that. A lot of people like to trade just Japanese candlestick patterns. Nothing wrong with that. Those are good too. Price action. Maybe they use triangles, pole trades, flag trades. Everybody has a different way of doing it. I think you should pick 3 or 4 ways and you stick to those. You get too many, you start getting a little bit sloppy. So you got to be careful with that too. And definitely never listen to anybody else. If somebody else tells you to get into a trade, don't get into a trade unless the criteria is there for your trade. That's why you have a trade plan. That's why you have money management. That's why you have everything to try to keep you out of trouble. If you go listening to people, did they do the due diligence? No. They see something for their trade plan, not yours. Anytime I've lost money, it's because I jumped into a trade listening to other people. Or just jumped into a trade because I saw candles moving. Never want to be a dog chasing the car because eventually the car does stop and it doesn't feel good. When something moves really fast, it's usually designed to get you into a trade. And they're going to take it and jam it the other way, and now you're stuck. And if you weren't smart enough to get out, now you're taking a big loss or you're in the ride for a long time. So we're still waiting for this to drop down a little bit more. We're starting to run out of time on this video, so we're going to stop it right here and we'll pick up as we can see how this trade ends up. Okay, the trade's gone our way. We had a good push down. Not super good, but enough to be in a good profit to at least close this out with a good trade. So see here, the Heikin-Ashi had you 4 candles in a row. Finally dropped down a little bit. Could go more. The idea is not to get out till you get to a green one, but we're up enough in profit. I'm happy with that. So anyway, guys, have a good day. Stay out of trouble. Let's close this out. And stay ARB strong. And let's perfect this so we can come back and make some money when this goes live. Okay, bye-bye.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar.